we have to remember that in order to make the business flourish, we have to because it is your responsibility as the customer service representative to
businessmen and women. Imagine you've been offered your dream job, but the salary is much lower than you expected. So anyone in the class, what would you do? Would you stay silent? Okay, Mr. Gao. Mr. Gao has an answer. Let's hear it from him.
Dazzled. Earlier, Miss Jenna mentioned about the negotiation, but let me ask you this question first. Plan 6 to safeguard their interest. You're interested, I am interested. One finding common ground.
Ready? Go. Good day to our panelists, to our respective advisors, and to our instructor. I am Jenna Macy Guvia Urbano, together with my research partner, Mr. Claro Gallo Jr., and now we're going to present our research entitled Unpacking Students' Perspective on YouTube as a Language Learning Tool in Developing Phonetic Skills, a Phenomenological Study. To begin with, second language. Furthermore, technology. When Ferro 2023 and Senko et al. 2023. Good day to our panelists, to our respective advisors, to our instructor, and to everyone who's in this room. I am Jenna Macy Guvia Urbano.
Mixel, pipe ka na, pipe ka. Zoom, zoom.
Duro na nakangin, na nakangin.
One.
Zoom, zoom.
Ay, katawa, Mixel. Sige, go. Ganyan na. Shot. Play mo na. Balik. Ay, ko wala kasi expression. Nakatanan. Sige, maldita. Madam.
Halo.
Tita, go, putang ina.
Go. Tuyok ba yun? Oh. Fiber na. Kani? Mara lagi na. Ate. Palitan lagi.
미치겠는 게 뭔지 알아?
어떡하지? ni, diba? Buhari lagi ako ah.
Ha? Ni. Ay, pakialamin eh. Pinapakialam ah.
Nawa ko, ano?
Pinapakialam ah.
Nawa ko.
Trabaho ni mo. Ay, napagapilapin.
Wala ko
Ni, apilapin.
Nawa ko, ano?
Ako screenshot, ako
Weird
i-pin.
kayo. Weird kayo.
Ha? Ano, magina, yan o, spaces.
Dili, magod kinawala, magod imuhang ano.
Look what I did. Ito at the first column of the table. Arang!
Ay,
Bilis-bilis talaga. It's about how you prompt, my God. It's about how you command the AI. It's not the AI that will command you.
Okay.
Oh my God.
And-
Sino ko na-dominate ako sa AI? Ikaw ang control sa AI.
alam ko nga. Yoti, yung mong lesson plan ba niya? Kasi ginag-away sa,
Yeah.
ano ko nga. Grabe naman ako over-reliant sa AI.
Sino ka? Sino ginabuso na ka sa AI? Ikaw ang ginabuso sa AI. Dili ikaw ginabuso siya. Ginaototo na ka na yati. Mag-go na lang ka. Huwag hindi, pasa na ako kay Sir Eric. Sir, this is what I did. Kunya pa mag-send sa Jenna.
Yan lang may table, sir.
Table filter.
Oh, mas perfect ako ah. See that? Mas perfect ako ah. Dili, daghan kayo itong or perfect. Perfect. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now.
Mamove ko na kuha kayo. Nag-move ka awa. Next page na naman.
Gotta let the light shine on me. I found
Oh. Tara, oh. Tayo. Single. Parang ikaw. Parang tayo. Anak, andyan. Pasok mo na tayo. Check. Yak, damak ni mo, eh. Nakakadiri ka talaga. Disjustify.
sa ulat.
I mean, dog space eh. Oh, gamay yun.
O di akong
Oh, tsaunin mo. Nakakaya ka talaga. Kasi pair ni mo. Ay,
matulog ay pwedeng lubayan. Oh, baka sa research question 4. Grabe.
kumuha mo natin. Iba na ko, tiwasan na tayo nag-check na kung tama ba yung buwa. Advice.
Tama, majud lang ipuhan.
Let's take a close at this mystery of Tuwing Lagun in Coron, Palawan, my fellow students. Exact. And each group will select a travel destination they wish to promote and suggestions to visit their chosen destinations. Now, this will be the group 1.
Kiss me. Uy, sa iyong heart. Iyong heart. Sa iyong heart. Palihog ko, panawagan sa muamping ani akong amiga. Ampingin na ninyo kay murag lahi na ni.
Square. 65 plus. Ay, kita 9 man. 9 man eh. Ay, tama man 40. Hi, Nikki pa lang. Hi, sir. By the way, panels.
This is our study and it
You go, girl. Wow, wow, wow.
It's been raining and raining and raining. That's why the soil is very wet.
Right.
Now you have to observe the soil one by one, and then you have to analyze.
Hello vlog! สวัสดีค่ะตามค่ะเดี๋ยวนะคนละคน
environment as to how we understand how it affects the literary work. The culture and that influence a person's life. And a person's beliefs and actions are shaped by their environment. Now here, this is where we understand why characters feel a certain way, why they act the way they do, and to understand the message of their literaries. Now, who have an idea decide what is presented on the presentation? Yes, Elsa? That's right. We can be more respectful to any culture that we encounter. And call what are the influences to the literary work. Let's have ID. Yes, that's right. It's history, culture, and environment. Alright, we have Vince as the first, as the lead. Alright, we have Giselle. Thank you and goodbye class. Use a certain literary pieces to a waterfall, and you are going also to create a digital figures from using multimedia tools later on. We have our ear, our nose, our eyes, our mouth or our tongue, and our hand. Now let's identify what are those auditory, what we hear in our ear. Next we have the gustatory, what we taste in our tongue. Very good. And we also have here the tactile, what we touch, the hugs, the congratulations, the kiss according to the group too. And for the last one, we have the olfactory, what we smell. Can I? Oh, group 3 already touched one. What about the other? Oh, group 4 already also touched one. What about the other groups? Group 5 and group 2 and group 1. Congratulations, everyone. Let's give yourself a round of applause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. And my chin, please.
Okay, our last presenter.
Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere